What would you do if your phone could generate $200, $500, even $6,000 in a single day, completely faceless? That's exactly what happened to me. I found a simple launch jacking strategy that taps into free buyer traffic at the perfect moment and turned it into a repeatable system that pays me passively. Even the videos I created years ago are still generating income for me today. Now, I've created this app for you based on my success online, from a phone, from free traffic. And it's all now packaged into one simple app that anyone can use from anywhere in the world starting today. I'm so excited to share this with you because I know exactly what this is going to do for your life if you give me 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Jono Armstrong, and before you decide that I'm one of those people who is always going to succeed at this, let me tell you where I actually started. But before I do that, I need you to understand something very important. I'm not here to promise you millions. And I'm not going to flash a ridiculous income claim and tell you that your life will transform overnight either. What I am going to tell you is that this works. And it works if you live in a big city or in a small town that nobody has ever heard of. It works if you are a complete beginner. It works if you've tried other things online and hit a wall every single time. It also works without ads, without a budget, without a following, without showing your face on camera if you don't want to do so. All you need is a phone or a laptop and about 15 minutes of your time. That's it, and I mean that genuinely. So, let me tell you how I actually found this. By 2016, my life had come apart in a pretty public way. I had a thriving TV career and I was in a top band. Things that looked good from the outside. Then my marriage ended, and because I had been on television, people decided that they had the right to have opinions about it everywhere I looked. I lost my TV work almost straight away. The band fell apart and I started heavily drinking. Then came the pills, Xanax, diazepam, just to get through the day. I had 2 teenage sons living with me, and my partner and I had no income coming in whatsoever. Both of our mothers were sending grocery money so that we could keep food on the table. Absolute rock bottom. Now, I'm telling you this not for sympathy. I'm telling you this because I want you to know that wherever you are starting at right now, it's not too far back. I started from genuinely nothing, with a habit problem and a public reputation that was working against me, and no clear idea of how I was going to fix any of it. Then I found something that changed everything. I discovered that software creators and product developers would give free access to their product before a launch to anybody willing to record a simple video walkthrough. Now, this wasn't out of generosity, because a genuine video showing the inside of a product posted at the right moment on YouTube could send hundreds of paying customers through a single link. No ads, no warehouse, no shipping, no customer service. Just me, my phone, a free YouTube account, and a link. I recorded myself on my screen walking through the product and then posted it on my YouTube channel. I added a page where anyone who bought through my link could claim some extra bonuses from me. The video started ranking. People found it, they watched it, they paid through my link in the description of the YouTube video. $200 a day, then $300, and then $500 a day from completely free traffic from videos I recorded at home on my phone. I remember thinking this feels like pulling money straight out of thin air. But the part that really changed things for me, the part that I did not expect at all, was what happened months later. You see, those videos didn't stop working. 6 months after I posted one, someone searching for that same product found my video, watched it, and paid through my link. A year later, 2 years later. The searches never stopped because people never stopped buying. It's like creating digital real estate. YouTube is not like social media, where your content disappears after 2 days. It's an actual search engine. A video I recorded in 2017 still brings sales in for me today. I've not touched it. I haven't updated it. It just sits there and does its job. My channel grew to 72,000 subscribers and over 4 million total views. Over $24 million generated from videos I recorded on a phone, sitting from a flat where we can afford the weekly shopping bills. And every single step of that process, everything that I've learned over the years of doing this, the scripting, the recording, the editing, the bonus pages, the thumbnails, the delivery of all of it, I have now built into a single newbie-friendly app. It's called ReviewSuite 360, and it runs completely from your mobile phone. Now here's what it actually does, and I want you to picture yourself doing this because it's way simpler than you may be thinking. You find a digital product that people are genuinely searching for, so software or training courses. You paste in the link of the sales page into the Review 360 app. The app reads the product and builds your video script automatically. No blank page, no wondering what to say. That script loads straight into a built-in teleprompter inside the app, so you're reading naturally while the camera records. Then the inbuilt editor then handles everything else, the cuts, the captions, and the B-roll. All done inside of one app on your phone without switching between tools or exporting files or touching complicated software that was built for professionals. And here's something that I'm particularly proud of, because I know how many people have held back from this kind of thing for this exact reason. You never have to show your face. Not once, unless you actually want to. ReviewSuite 360 has a complete faceless setting. The app pulls footage directly from the product itself and layers it over the top of your voice automatically. Professional, clean, finished. A video that looks like it was deliberately built for that specific product because it was. Nobody watching would ever know you weren't on screen. And the income from the video is absolutely identical to the one where you did appear in every single frame. Now, if you want to be on screen but keep your identity private, then there is also a black bar filter across the eyes that's inbuilt into the app, or a cartoon character version of your face, or a clean generic face overlay that gives the video a professional on-screen presence without it actually being you. Every option earning exactly the same. At the same time, the app is building your bonus page, complete with high-value, congruent bonuses, generating your thumbnail too, and creating all of your campaign images. In fact, all of the time-consuming things that I used to have to do manually. Arming your delivery system so that every person who buys gets their content within minutes, automatically, without you doing a single thing. From product link to everything live and earning from your phone in under 15 minutes. And then you put your phone down, go make a coffee, be with your family, go to your job, sleep, whatever you want, while the video sits on YouTube doing exactly what my videos have been doing since 2017, bringing in easy recurring commission checks, finding the right person at exactly the right moment and getting paid. And I know what it feels like to be on the other side of this. To hear about someone making thousands of dollars online and think that it's a different world from the one that I live in. Trust me, I thought that too. I was sitting in a flat that smelled like bad decisions, wondering how I was going to explain to my sons why there was nothing in the fridge. And I found a method on my phone that changed the entire direction of my life. Now, I'm not special. I didn't have connections or capital or a background in marketing. I just had a phone, a free YouTube account, and I was desperate enough to actually try something. ReviewSuite 360 is everything that I learned packaged into something that takes less than 15 minutes. instead of the years it took me to figure it all out. It's a one-time payment with 0 monthly fees either. Yours for life, including every update that we make going forward. And there's a full 30-day money-back guarantee, so you are completely covered. So get inside, build your first campaign today, post it, see what happens when the video starts working for you, the way mine have been working for me for years. You don't need experience, you don't need a budget, you don't even need to show your face. You don't need to run ads, create any websites, or build an audience, or do any of the things that makes this feel out of place for most people. You just need 15 minutes and a phone which you already own. I built $24 million from this method, starting from a place that most people would never recover from. I genuinely cannot wait to see what you build. So go ahead, click the button down below, and let's get you started.